Hey everybody, welcome to the Nature of Everything podcast and your Tuesday check-in. I'm Bo.
And I'm Clint. And today we're talking about what happens when the dust settles.
Yeah, you know that phrase, I'll figure it out when the dust settles? It sounds wise and maybe even patient, but if we're being real, sometimes the dust doesn't settle when we want it to.
Absolutely. You know what? Life stirs things up. Work changes, relationships shift, new opportunities show up. Or, there can be moments when things are just really heavy and life throws you something unexpected. And we're standing in the middle of this storm trying to make this perfect decision out of all of this with all of this going on.
Yeah, and that's kind of like the trap. You're waiting for this perfect clarity before moving forward. And that's where decision paralysis sneaks in. We say we're waiting on things to calm down, but sometimes maybe we're just too scared to move.
Yeah, it's like you're standing in your living room after the tornado and saying, you know what? I'll rebuild once it, sort of looks better or something. It's like sometimes the act of rebuilding, that's actually what helps clear the air.
And that's really where Coin helps. Confirm it, own it, be intentional, and change the nature of everything. Because even when life is messy or downright hard, those steps give you something solid to stand on.
You know what? If we break it down, confirm it, acknowledge what's really going on. Don't sugarcoat it. Yep, life, it's chaotic right now. Got it. Can confirm. Then you have to own it. Recognize what is actually in your control. Maybe not the timing, but you know what? Your response is yours. You own that. Now you have to be intentional. Choose one small step that moves you towards clarity instead of waiting for it. Move toward it and change the nature. Change the nature of everything. Let that shift your posture. You're not powerless. You're participating just while the dust settles.
Yeah, I think that's it. You're not forcing peace or pretending that everything is fine. It's fine.
I said it's fine.
But it is all about being steady, even in the middle of the fog.
Indeed. You know what? Here's our check-in for this week. Where in your life are you waiting for things to calm down before you act? What's one thing you can do while the dust settles?
Yeah, that's a good question. And you know what? It doesn't have to be big. Sometimes it's just a phone call or a boundary or just to take a breath and remember this isn't forever.
Absolutely. The dust will settle. Maybe not on your schedule, but I'm telling you, it will settle. And who you become in that waiting time, that's what really matters.
So that's it. That's your check-in for the week. Think about who you will become in the waiting. I love that statement. That's great. So take a few minutes, jot down your thoughts, or talk it out with somebody that you trust.
Yeah, and also be sure to catch the full episode on this coming up this Friday. We're going to keep investigating this idea of decision paralysis, or what I like to call analysis paralysis. It's that waiting. So while we're digging into this, we're going to learn to move even when things are unclear.
So until then, confirm it, own it, be intentional so that you can change the nature of everything.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out coinyourlife.com and find us on social media.